Hi children, today let us learn about how much can you carry, chapter number 3. In this lesson, first we have a small story, okay? That is, here you can observe in your textbook, the clever donkey and his heavy sack, okay? Again I am telling you how much can you carry in this lesson. We have a small story, the clever donkey and his heavy sack. And Sandesh has a donkey. Here you can see Sandesh has a donkey and it carries sacks full of salt and its back. It carries sacks full of what? Salt, full of salt on its back. Okay. On the way to the market. On the way to the market, they have to cross a river. Okay. On the way to the market, they have to cross a river. One day, children, listen carefully. One day, while crossing the river, the donkey slipped and fall into the river. Again I am telling you, one day while crossing the river, the donkey slipped and fell into the river. When it got up, the sacks felt very light. The sacks felt very light. Guess why the snacks felt lighter? Why? Because in that sacks full of salt. Salt is dissolved in water. Okay. The donkey was very happy. So this is also gave in an idea. This is also giving an idea. Next day, while crossing the river, the clever donkey decided to take a dip. Okay. Again I am telling you, next day while crossing the river, the clever donkey decided to a dip. Next, this is time Sandesh understand the donkey's trick. Here Sandesh can observe the donkey's trick. Next day, Sandesh put snacks full of woolen. Woolen means like a cotton type. The cloth in place of salt. In salt place, Sandesh kept woolen. Now what would happen to the donkey when dipped into the river? Why? Because woolen was absorb the water. That's why the snacks is full of heavy. Okay. Okay children, a small example of this story. Here you can observe. Okay, here you can observe. I'm just taking salt in one glass. Okay. Okay, children, you just see salt is there in this glass. Children, you just see salt is there in this glass. Why? Because salt is dissolved in water. That's why the donkey is very happy. The salt is dissolved in water. And next time Sandesh trick is Sandesh trick in woolen. Woolen. If we will dip woolen in water, woolen is absorb the water. Woolen is absorb the water. Okay. Next, here one empty bottle is and one filled water bottle is there. Okay. In this two, which one is heavier and which one is lighter weight? And this filled water bottle is heavier weight, and this empty water bottle is lighter weight. And this two keys, which one is heavier weight and which one is smaller weight? The small key is lighter weight and this key is heavier weight. Next, in these two vegetables, and lemon is lighter weight and these two potatoes is higher weight. Okay children, story is completed. Next topic is Raju wants to ride a seesaw. You already know seesaw. We will see in parks. Okay. Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw. Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw. Rani comes to play Raju. Rani comes to help Raju, but still Raju cannot ride it. Why Raju cannot ride it? Can you tell me why? Circle the correct answer. Here they are giving two answers. Raju is heavier, lighter than the Rani. Two options they are give. Why? Because Raju is heavier. Raju is heavier. Next, Aslam comes to help them. Look at the picture. Can you tell why Sisa turned this way? Raju is heavier, lighter than the Rani and Aslam together. Here answer is lighter than the Rani and Aslam together. I have an idea. Let me keep my bag with me. Okay. Raju got an idea. What? Let me keep my bag with me. Okay, we are enjoying the ride. Here you can see the picture. When Raju keep bag, they both are in same weight. Okay. Next is heavier or lighter. Which of the two things will make the seesaw go down? Look at the example. Go down. When we will go down, if we will heavy weight, then we will go down. Okay. In these two, here watermelon is there and orange also is there. In these two, which one is heavier and which one is lighter? Watermelon is heavier. Then orange is lighter. Next, a pot and bottle. In these two, which one is heavier? Pot is heavier and then this will go down. Next, in these two, jug is heavier and glasses is lighter. Then this is here heavier. Next, jug and bucket. Bucket is heavier and jug is lighter. Then this is going to down. Okay, color the one which is lighter. Here four things are there. In these four things, which one is lighter? Tennis ball, football, school bag and geometry box. In these four, which one is lighter? Ball and geometry box. Again I am telling you, in these four, which one is lighter? Tennis ball and geometry box. Okay children, this is also a small story. Chotu monkey and the carrots. Chicky and Mickey rabbit saw a bag. It had carrots in it. Okay, Chicky and Mickey started fighting. Why? I will take bigger carrots. No, I am bigger, so I will take bigger carrots. Okay, Chotu monkey come to help them. Chotu monkey come to help them. Okay, we want to share the carrots equally between us, but some carrots are big and some small. What do we do? Can I help you? Okay. Chotu monkey brought something to help them. Chotu monkey brought something to help them. What? That is weighing balance. Okay. Next. Okay, here you can see, guess and tell what Chotu monkey used to help Chicky and Mickey. Draw a picture of in the monkey's hand. Okay, what is that? That is weighing balance. Next, find out. Your parents buy carrots for the family. How much do they buy at one time? Maybe 1 kg or 2 kg. That is enough for us. Okay. Next, how does the vegetable seller weigh the carrot? That is using weighing balance. Okay children, next one is how much can Simran carry? Okay, this is a picture you can observe. This Simran father and mother. Okay, Simran's father needs to move some things from the store of their house to the kitchen. Okay, what? Simran's father need to move some things from the store of their house to the kitchen. Simran wants to help her father. Okay. Here they are giving some questions. Guess which bag Simran can carry. Simran is small kid na, so that's why 1 kg salt or 1 kg ghee, like that Simran can carry. 1 kg salt and 1 kg ghee. Guess who can carry what? Her father. Her father is bigger na, so that's why 5 kg atta and 5 kg rice. Here you can see 5 kg atta and 5 kg rice. Her mother 2 kg cooking oil and 2 kg dal and 2 kg sugar. Next her younger sister, next, can Simran carry any two of these bags together? If yes, which ones? 1 kg salt and 1 kg ghee. Which bags can you carry? Guess yourself, which bag can you carry? Maybe 1 kg salt and 1 kg ghee, like that. Okay, match the pictures of the animals with the things it can carry. Here crow is there, elephant, donkey and dog. In this 4, which one carry? Which thing is carry? Crow, a leaf. Next, donkey, sticks. Sorry, elephant sticks, donkey bag and dog is ball. Okay. Okay children, this is your chapter number 3. How much can you carry? Thank you.